Today I'm going to be making a super easy bundt cake from a box mix with a few simple additions. You will need 4 eggs, oil, water, pudding mix, and a chocolate cake mix. This is where the recipe gets unique. You're going to turn your mixer to a level 5 like on this KitchenAid, a medium setting, and add your eggs. You're going to beat your eggs for 2 minutes before adding any other ingredients. This creates that dense texture similar to a pound cake. Now you're going to add 3/4 a cup of water. And 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Here's where you can get creative. You can use any combination of cake mix and pudding mix to make a flavor that you like. I love to use a butter pecan cake mix with a butterscotch pudding, or I like to use this chocolate cake mix with a coconut cream pudding with coconut oil and a little bit of coconut water to replace the other ingredients. So you can just dream up whatever combination you would like. Like earlier in the cake making process, we're going to do something a little unique. Once all the ingredients have been mixed together, you're then going to beat them for 5 minutes. You'll pause once to scrape down the sides to make sure everything gets fully incorporated. This again is what's going to make it more dense like a pound cake, but yet it preserves the moisture. If you're like me, I once had a love-hate relationship with my Bundt pan. I kept getting the cakes stuck no matter how much flour and butter or Crisco I would use on them. This baker's joy has changed my relationship with my Bundt pan. Once you get your batter added to your pan, you're going to be sure and bounce it off the counter a few times to remove those air bubbles from the batter you've spooned in. Then you're going to place the pan in an oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes until your toothpick comes out clean. Once your cake is done, then you need to place it on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. After it's had time to cool for about 10 minutes, maybe even 15 where it's cool to the touch, then we're going to flip it out of the pan. When it's completely cool, I like to flip it over and I cut off the top so that it becomes even, so it will sit flat on your cake plate. That part you cut off becomes a great snack for the kids or for yourself. There are many ways you can finish off this cake, but today I chose just to take a container of icing and heat it in the microwave for a few seconds until it had a very thin consistency. And then I just added some sprinkles to the top. That's it. That's simple with all those store-bought ingredients, but yet looks one of a kind. Thanks for watching. I hope you can make a cake just like this the next time you want to.